Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, another product to review from Korea. Again, pasalubong. So ano ba ito? Ito ay isang foundation. So tag, which siguro ito ibig sabihin niya, touch a gleam. So tag velvet, cover cushion. So semi-matte daw siya, perfect cover, and pink ivory yung shade niya. A semi-matte cushion that applies thinly and softly like velvet and covers imperfections flawlessly. So parang sinasabi dito na hindi halata pag ito ay ginamit. Parang hindi ka naka-makeup, something like that. So ito ay worth 5,000. So, I don't know how much is that in Philippine peso. So, meron na din siyang SPF 50+, which good, diba? And then, how to use? Take an appropriate amount, apply thinly to the face, and pat lightly to blend. Apply thinly to the face. Tapos, ipat mo lang siya para ma-blend. This continues if signs of irritation and a rash appear. Keep in a cool and dry place. Keep out of reach of children. So, yan. Made from Korea. Which is nakakatuwa naman kasi meron siyang SPF 50+. So, the rest ay Korean na language. Okay. So, open na natin. Hindi ko pa talaga siya na-open kasi talagang gusto ko siyang buksan kasabay ninyo. Tingnan natin kung gaano ba kaganda ito. So, ganito ang itsura niya. Makapal pala siya, no? So, ganyan. Ewan ko, but for me, parang hindi ako masyadong nagagandahan sa kanyang lalagyan, sa kanyang packaging. So, ayan yung code niya. And expiration is 2027. So, 3 years. Okay, so buksan natin. So, ganyan siya. Oops, may cover. Open natin. And then it looks like this. Please remove the film before use and tightly secure the cup for storage. So, kailangan no air. So para siyang mineral powder. See guys? May pagka-liquid siya. Kaya pala sabi, apply thinly on the face and then pat dry lang siya. So, try natin sa aking dito, okay? So, sige. Try natin. Para siyang basa, no? Try nga natin. Okay. So, ano siya? Foam. Oh? Foam na meron parang liquid. Ayan siya, oh. Kaya sabi thinly. Ayun, para siyang liquid foundation pala, guys. Ano ba yan? Kaya pala sinasabi, kailangan siyang airtight. Kasi nga parang hindi matuyo. So, syempre, nakapalang ko siya. Ipat lang daw, pat. Sorry, pati yung camera ko para gumagalaw. So, ayan siya. Amin ko nga. Nabango naman siya. Napaka-light ng scent niya. So, ito lang nilagyan ko yung knuckles ko, guys. Nakapalang ko kasi eh. So, kaya ayan tuloy. So, is there any difference, guys? Comment down below. So, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching.
Hey!